Joe, take a video now. Do take a video.
You guys can at least. Oh no, they don't speak Spanish.
What the
Jack, come on.
Joe wants me to do something. And show the rhyme.
Portuguese, right?
Portuguese.
Oh yeah.
I think
Strobe lights, Dad. Strobe lights.
Dude, you're off.
I'm a Tom Brady
You're off
right
this-
now.
You're off.
I got-
15 and 12
I
minutes.
can't just
You gotta be kidding me.
do this for you, Joe.
No, he's been playing.
No, I wasn't. Alexa played. You played.
Yeah, but you gotta let me play, Dad. This is a once in a lifetime deal.
Oh yeah, I played.
No,
forever,
seriously.
Dad. That's when
You've gotta let me play.
Who cares, Joe? You'll get kicked soon.
I get kicked soon.
Joe, hackers are mean.
No, they aren't. This guy, he put a thing up that says I don't devote for fun.
What? Did you just get a hit marker on him?
Yeah, he is joking.
now.
I got a hit marker.
I can't. I have to eat, but Joe's making me.
No, I don't make you do this. You can eat.
I like chopped the salmon in a little tiny
Okay.
piece.
Oh,
Stuffed
no.
it right, and scooped it up.
You got.
That was good, Mom.
All right, come on.
Get him! Get him! Get him! No!
No!
No! No! No!
See, I like
I gotta kill him. Everyone, I got a hit marker with a ballistic
Just
knife.
run up there.
I can't kill him. It's impossible.
Well, yeah, I like tomato.
Duh!
Or onions.
It's impossible.